Okay, so I have renamed both the files. Now let's see. Here's an error. Now let's read it. Remove the type imported at the top of both files. And now let's remove it. Okay, I have removed it. Now let's see. I think it's still in use. Let's leave it. Uh, just follow the direction here. Create a home page. The first step of creating a searchable NFT gallery is to create the text inputs where you'll add the wallet address and the collection address used to search for NFTs. In the index.jsx page, add the following code. Okay, let's just copy this code and paste it here. And I think let's delete this code also for now. Okay. As you can notice, we have already implementing Tailwind CSS classes inside the class name property of our input. We won't get into the details how Tailwind CSS works. If you want to learn more about it, you can go to their official document. There it is. Now let's create two variables to store wallet and collection address. Next, we'll need to create two variables to store both wallet and address and the collection address. We'll insert the input fields using the use state and React hook. Import the use state hook from React and add the following code right above the home component returns. Okay, let's copy this code again and just paste it here. Here. Excuse me. To store the value of your input inside the inputs inside the wallet and collection variable, use the onChange event handler. Okay. The onChange event handler will get triggered every time you change the value of your input field, taking the inputs and storing it to the respective variables using the set wallet and set collection address functions. We also want to reflect the changes in our wallet and collection variables, assigning their value display in our input. In the text input text, add the following code. Here we are adding the onChange events. Let's copy the code again. Copy it from here and just paste it. There it is. Okay. Now your inputs will now store their respective variables address. Will write inside. Here it is. Set wallet address and set collection address. These are the functions that we are calling, and it will store in the wallet and the collection. Check that everything works with the React Developers tool in your browser. You'll go through the installation process on Chrome, but all of this applies also to Mozilla Firefox. Go to the browser extension, search for developer tools, click on add to Chrome. Once it downloads and installed, you'll be able to see the React Development Tools tab in the inspect view with the Chrome developer tools. So let's see. I already have a developer tool here. Here it is. And then inspect. Here we can. Here it is. So what we need here is, let's close this. Download and install. You will be able to see the React Development Tool tab in the Inspect view with the Chrome developer tools. Go back terminal inside your folder and start your application again. Writing. Okay. I think our application is already being started. I think we might miss something here.